Jai Gurudev. It's great joy for me to come back to a wonderful topic. So that is, recently I have gone through it. It is viral. NASA exploring the universe. NASA exploring the universe. What the hell is it now? How NASA is going to explore about the universe? What NASA knows about the universe, first of all. So far, NASA is just reaching to the planets, finding out what is what. Moon is over, Mars is okay, they are also trying on Mars and also on Venus. So they are just mingling and making rounds around this solar system. A smallest particle, solar system is the smallest particle in the universe. So many galaxies are there. 12 billions, not millions, or 12 billions away. There are so many galaxies are there. So much of activity is going on. How much life these scientists needs to know about this universe? It's really absurd, Who are you to go? And you are just saying, explaining about the universe. Where is the universe? What is the universe? Where it has come from? Our Vedic wisdom, entire the universe, it has been explained in the Vedas, Vedic literature about this universe, where it is. Anorniyan Mahato Mahiyan. Smaller than the smallest has been expanding, exploring into the form of the universe. The same thing, the quantum mechanics are revealing all the secrets of this universe. Universe is nowhere for your kindness. Please cognize within yourself. Universe is within yourself, each and every particle, if you are able to find out. How you can find out? Yogastha Kuru Karmani. You just settle yourself in this unified field and you will be just cognizing about the universe. No, it's okay. If I say like this, you may think that I am a fool. But if you are going to the real knowledge, true knowledge, what not? For your kindness, you are yourself. You are itself saying that. That means the eminent psychologists of this world saying that the human being is only utilizing 15%, 10 to 15 or 5 to 10%, not even 15%, 5 to 10% of mental potentiality. And that too 5 to 10% of mental potentiality who is utilizing the greatest scientists such as Einstein, Newton, Dalton. These greatest personalities have been utilized. Einstein, he was just utilizing his mental potentiality 10 to 15% only, not more than that. And with that potentiality, he has just explored everything. And many videos I explained you that he just totally told, revealed. What is that? Maya, illusion, mirage. If we are thinking about the Maya, Gnostics won't believe that. Really? What Einstein said? All that what I am cognizing, all that what I am observing, all that what I am seeing seems to be unreal. And what I cannot see, I cannot cognize, I cannot observe, seems to be real. That is true. That is true. The science is saying that. Quantum mechanics is saying that. Can you see the atom? Leave the atom. Subatomic particles? Quantum level of matter? No. And that is real. The same thing. So knowledge is not simply on the level of objectivity. The subjective aspect of knowledge is very, very powerful. Without that subjective aspect of knowledge, the human beings are said to be half knowledgeable persons. Whomever you take, he may be a PhD scholar, he may be a scientist, he may be whatnot and whatnot. In olden days, it is true, whatever exactly saying. Superman. What is the Superman? You can become a Superman in one tape, I already explained. When you are utilizing this 100% of mental potentiality, with after all 5 to 10% mental potentiality, 10 to 15% of mental potentiality Einstein have been explored, all these miracles what we are just seeing. Satellite, space labs, whatever, traveling in the space and walking in the space. So all these things have come with our 10 to 15% of mental potentiality. When you utilize this 100% of mental potentiality, it is there within yourself. What? If this mind becomes the super mind, not brain, sorry. If our mind becomes the super mind, then you will become the Superman. And Superman, what cannot he do? He can fly in the universe. He can go and cognize everything in the universe. He can find out the secrets of the universe. That is what. So here, exploring the universe, NASA exploring the universe, what they are going to explore the universe, how many years it will take for them to tell exact things about the universe, when this universe has started, when this universe is going to end. Is it possible to NASA? No, never. It's not possible, impossible. Then, so only thing is, we have to believe what we are supposed to be. Nothing within yourself only. You just close your eyes and with a great master, wonderful teacher, how to reach that unified field and just combine together, remove all the stresses from your physiology and become the superconductor. This is what? If you are this conductor, human body is nothing but a conductor, the science saying, it is just like a conductor. If you touch a electric current, so immediately it is passing through your body because it is a conductor. Then, so just make this conductor as a superconductor. Then you will become a Superman. So the only thing is how to, that is the biggest problem. So everybody is forgetting, they don't believe, they don't bother. And why all these things, we have come onto the earth and just, for the sake of living, we are living, making job, getting married, children, grandchildren, out. Okay, 100 years, up. This is only today's human beings' level of thinking. They never bother about 100% of mental potentiality, not even going for the 15 to 20% of mental potentiality. How can think about this 100% of mental potentiality? Most of the educated people or scientist people, they will be knowing about the superconductor. What is a superconductor? When you remove all these stresses, all these resistances from that conductor, then it will become a superconductor. Whatever the electricity you are passing from this end, and it will be coming the 100% from this end, which is not now possible. Some of them they are making the superconductors, but it is very expensive. So when a conductor will be becoming the superconductor? When you bring that to this temperature of minus 273 degrees of Celsius, that is the absolute temperature. When you are bringing to that, then it's fine. It will become the superconductor. So bring your mind to that absolute temperature level, absolute mind, and make it superconductor. Remove all these stresses. All these stresses means what? Your karmas are also said to be our karmas. Our karmas are our stresses. They are just accumulating on the mind. Purify that with a technique. And that should be a mental technique, mind technique, received by the scholars, great masters. Then you will become a superconductor. Then you can explore about the universe. See, this is what Tony Nodder has written a book. The entire universe is existing in our human physiology. The great physicist, world renowned physicist, he has to get the Nobel Prize actually. Vedic literature, entire the Vedas and Vedic literature, Vedanta and all Vedic wisdom, it has been existing, consisting in our human physiology. That means universe is okay, that is there, but existing in our physiology. You have to just find out. You have to just know. That is only possible when you combine your mind with the unified field. Right? So, okay, fine. Let them explore whatever they're thinking. NASA is thinking that we are exploring the universe. It is totally upset. Zero. They can't. Impossible at all. Never. Can't. Where, man? Universe, you cannot imagine about the universe. Even if you imagine, you cannot think about the existing of universe. There is no beginning, there is no end. Our life is, after all, maximum 200 years. So, anyway, they are just saying, but I cannot tolerate that NASA exploring the universe. I cannot digest it. That's why I am revealing what exactly exploration of the universe, that is, there is no, so it is there within yourself. So I will explain about this. Janmanam nara janma durlabham. That is what exactly. And I will explain this in another video. So it is, human life is a gift to the mankind. Anyway, so I don't accept this exploration. NASA exploring the universe. So please, just pass on this video, wonderful videos. Dirty videos, you are just liking, sharing, subscribing. And this is a valuable videos to enlighten the people, enlivening the people. So please, support. Jai Gurudev.